Morning and Assalamu alaikum KG students, hope you all will be good in health. I'm too good. This is your science book. The name of book is Science Introductory Text and Activity Book. Okay, Science Introductory Text and Activity Book. Students, open your book please. Good. Take out page number 18. Please open page number 18. Good. On page 18, I am going to teach the vegetables. You can see the picture of vegetables. Pictures of vegetables. Okay. Vegetables. The first picture is okra, onion, tomato, potato, brinjal, cauliflower, carrot, cabbage and pumpkin. Okay students, what are vegetables? Vegetables are parts of plants that are eaten by humans as food, as part of a meal. Why is it important to eat vegetables? Why? Yes, vegetables are important source of many nutrients, potassium, vitamins A and C. Most vegetables are naturally low in fat and calories. Okay, most vegetables are green in color. Okay, good. The first picture is okra. Okra is a nutritious food with many health benefits. It's rich in fiber. And vitamin C and vitamin A. Okra is green in color. Onion. The spelling of okra is O-K-R-A, okra. The spelling of onion is O-N-I-O-N, onion. Onion is a vegetable. We use it to preparing the meal and used as a salad. It helps to control the blood sugar. It has contained various vitamins. Okay. The third picture is tomato. Tomatoes are nutritional superfood. Tomatoes are rich in natural vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, B, vitamin K, vitamin C. Good. The next picture is potato. The spelling of tomato is T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. The next picture is potato. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Potato is a vegetable which has a lot of fiber, potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B. Potato is a healthy food. Potato is a healthy food. Almost people like to eat potato chips. Brinjal. The spelling of brinjal is B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. Brinjal is a great source of vitamins and minerals. It helps in digestion and improves bone health. Cauliflower. This is a vegetable that is naturally high in fiber and vitamins. Cauliflowers contain fiber to enhance weight loss and digestion. That is good for learning and memory and many other important nutrients. The next picture is carrot. Spelling of carrot is C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Carrots are good source of vitamins and they are a weight loss friendly food and improved eye health. Carrots are full of vitamins, minerals and fibers that are good for your health. The carrot taste is sweet. Okay, its color is red. The next picture is cabbage. Cabbage, a vegetable, it helps improve digestion. It may help keep your heart healthy. Cabbage shape is like a round with full of green leaf. Cabbage is used for stomach pain. The last picture is pumpkin. The pumpkin color is in orange. Pumpkin is highly nutritious, rich in vitamin A. Pumpkin is highly nutritious, rich in vitamin A. It has low calories and may help weight loss. Pumpkins are a good source of fiber which help keep you feeling full and promotes healthy digestion. Okay. This is okra. The spelling of okra is O-K-R-A, okra. Onion, O-N-I-O-N, onion. Tomato, T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Potato, P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Brinjal, B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. Cauliflower, C-A-U-L-I, cauliflower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, cauliflower. Carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Cabbage, C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. Pumpkin, P-U-M-P-K-I-N, pumpkin. Students, please learn these spellings. Okay. So, these are vegetables. Okay, students, vegetables are the parts of plants that are eaten by human as food as part of a meal. It's important for us. Vegetables are important source of nutrition, vitamins. Okay. Thank you, students. I hope you would have better understood the lecture of vegetables. Okay. So, take care. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.